Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So over the week I was doing some thinking that what video you guys wanna see, and since most of you are new to my channel, so I thought why not go back to basics. What I mean by basic is that I wanna teach you guys how you can get perfect base and how to do your makeup and everything in between. Today's YouTube world we really get lost in Instagram with lashes and super ultra, and it's really get intimidating a lot of you out there. I'm gonna keep it really simple for all my beginner babies out there. I broke it down into 5 simple steps, and it's not gonna be a makeup tutorial. It's, you can say, it's a mini tutorial. One is how to get the perfect base, which is why you all are here, and the second one is how to contour, blush, highlight and bronze your face. First lesson is how to get the perfect base. So if you wanna know how I do that, so please continue watching. I'm gonna take you from looking like this to this in just few simple steps. So yeah, step number 1, you have to moisturize your face. If you are a dry skin type, you wanna do some research and try something that suits you best. I am a oily skin type, like super oily. It's a Garnier anti-wrinkle cream, and you get a lot of affordable creams in the market. So you definitely go out and look for your favorite one, and make sure before go for foundation, you moisturize your face very well no matter what. And it's very important to prep your skin very well before you go on with layers and layers of makeup. Then it's not gonna look so cakey. Some hydration going on at the base, so that's what we want. In the step number 2, you wanna make sure you prepping your face. I'm taking this infallible mattifying primer. It works amazing for me. You can take any primer whatever suits you best, and primer helps to blur out and smoothen your skin, and also helps your makeup last a long time. So this is an important step too. So step number 3, we're gonna put some foundation. I am taking PAC foundation. You can use either a brush or you can use a beauty blender. This is my favorite way of doing foundation. And now the best way to apply foundation is little by little. So this is the right way to apply foundation. You definitely don't swipe down, it's incorrect way, and definitely don't go for Patrick stuff, like just stick to doing it very lightly by bouncing it and dragging it on your neck. If you don't wanna go foundation underneath your eye, if you gonna wear concealer, because it's too much foundation, concealer, powder, so stay away from that area. So step number 4 is concealer. Whatever concealer you have, and take a brush or your finger, whatever suits you. You're gonna go lightly layer by layer, okay, depending on how much you like. You have to do very softly. You can use finger to blend it out, and I'm using here a beauty blender. And I like to conceal my eyelids also. So you can leave it like this, but if you are like me and you like to brighten up your under eye area, make sure the shade is too lighter than your usual concealer. Apply it in your under eye, bridge of your nose, chin, and wherever you think you need brightness. Step number 5, to set the place where we use concealer, we're gonna take loose powder, but remember to get rid of your crease first. So get rid of them and then go for baking. So I like baking, which works for me. So this really works for me. But if you like just setting your under eye normally, dusting powder, that's up to you. Here I am using sugar compact powder for rest of my face. And the reason why we do this, you can use the same loose powder that you have, so the makeup lasts the entire day. So don't forget to set your foundation. So that is it guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this mini tutorial. I will be back with how to blush, bronze, contour and highlight your face in my next video. So stay tuned. Love you.